Okay, so we have quadratic functions. When we say quadratic functions, it is defined by functions to be ax squared plus bx plus c. So, lahat na may squared raised to 2 and then may x dyan. Pag nakita nyo na yung ganyan, that is quadratic equations or quadratic functions. Wherein a, b, c is constant. A, b, and c are constant. Okay? Pero, etong a should not be equal to 0. Okay? Should not be equal to 0 para maging quadratic function siya. Kasi kung magzi-0 yan at makikita lang si x, that is linear. Pero dito, pwedeng maging 0 si b and c as long as etong a natin should not be equal to 0. So, paano ba nagkakaroon ng quadratic equation or quadratic functions? It can be created by two linear functions. When we say linear equation or linear functions, we have to 3x plus 4 and then 2x plus 1. Example lang yan ng mga linear expressions natin. Pag sinabi natin linear, ito lang yung walang raised na x. Ayan, simple lang yung formula niyan. May 3x plus 4 or 3y plus 4 or as long as isa lang yung letter na nandyan. Okay? Next, this is what we call binomials. Also, this is binomial. So, we have two binomials. Ito naman po, ang tawag natin dyan ay terms. Okay? Para maging quadratic functions yan, ang gagawin lang natin, itong linear expression na to ay i-multiply lang gamit yung distributive properties natin and then i-add lang natin yung mga resulting products. So, for example, ito, yung first term natin is i-multiply natin dito sa 2x. Next, ito ulit, 3x natin, yung first term natin, i-multiply natin sa outer term. The other one naman, yung second term natin, i-multiply natin sa inner term, and then ito naman, i-multiply ulit natin sa outer term. Ang tawag dyan is FOIL method. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, first, outer, inner, and then last term. Okay? So, we have, ulitin natin, 3x, kunin natin to. Okay, para sa first term natin, so 3x multiplied by 2x. So, that is equivalent to 6x squared. So, x times x is x squared. Okay, plus. Next naman natin, yung second natin or outer term. So, ito yung first term, i-multiply natin sa outer term. Ayan. So, we have here 3x times 1. So, ilan ba yan? So, we have 3x. Okay, next, we have inner term, yung I. So, we have 4 multiplied by 2x. So, ilagay natin dito 4 times 2x. So, 4 times 2 is 8x. And last naman natin, we have here 4 and then 1. So, ilagay natin for the last term, 4 multiplied by 1. So, plus yan, plus, and then plus. So, we have 4 times 1 is 4. Okay? Equal natin sa 0 kasi dapat talaga in-equate lahat yan sa 0. Okay? So, we have 6x squared plus 8 plus 3 is 11. Kopyahin lang natin yan. X plus 4 is equal to 0. So, that is your quadratic equations. Quadratic functions. So, as you can see dito sa quadratic functions natin, meron tayong a. That is your a. Meron tayong x squared. Tama. Meron tayong b, which is equal to 11. And also, we have x. And, hindi mawawala yung constant natin na letter c. So, as you can see, kompleto yung quadratic functions natin. Ayan, so we have A, tapos meron tayong B and C.